There's the 10 a.m. mark. Very undecided feeling market. Nvidia pushing highs. Nvidia new highs. Nvidia exploding. Bob, a big retrace here. Tesla, AMD, BABA, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, just, and then here comes Meta actually. Meta, all of a sudden, Meta clearing this level. I don't see a ton of names on highs though. Nvidia went briefly, but now coming back in. Really just chop. Nvidia sold off hard from that spot. Got up to like 76 and now down to 74s. Meta approaching highs again. If Meta explodes from here, it might be worth taking a shot. But the stop would be down here, 208.70s, whatever. If it's worth taking a shot, I feel like it's reaching though. I mean, right now it needs to really explode and show some. It's on highs here. There's new highs. And 209.30s would be the entry. Market just not able to get up. Let's see if this Meta can break out above 210. If yes, then 209. Yeah, 209.30s is where I would probably try to pick it up. Here's 210s. There she goes. I'm going to try to pick some up down here at 209.30 against 208.70. Meta exploding to the upside. Let's see if we can catch a quick pullback back down here. This might be the only trade for the day. Still going to be a scalp, but looking for a potential pullback down to these levels. Let's see if we get it to come back down. Good volume on that breakout. We set 1050 high day. Meta, new highs. Good volume on Meta here. Here's 10s coming back up. Will it dip back into the 9s? Can we dip back down into the 9s? Wow, what a low volume, choppy day. Meta pushing highs again. Tesla, new highs. Tesla pushing new highs. 200 high a day. I'm going to move out to a 5-minute here. Tesla on highs. Meta still sitting there. Here's 10 coming back up. Tesla new highs. Here's 10 again on Meta. Meta cracking 10 back into the 90s, 990s. Can we get down another 60 cents? Pick up that long down there in the 209.30s. Market's starting to roll over. An aggressive entry would be somewhere between these two nodes. So somewhere around like 80 cents, but I think that that's too aggressive for this market regime, this market environment. If I miss this trade, I am completely fine. Microsoft is on lows. Huh. Tesla. Microsoft is on lows. Interesting. And Meta is pennies from highs again. AMD on highs too. Why is Microsoft on lows? Interesting. Meta, pennies from highs. This market is just very quiet. Look at the ES. It's just pinned. It's been trading in like a 2-point range for the last 20 minutes. Back into the nines. Meta. Down to the 70s. Where are those longs gonna puke? Probably below 50 cents. 70s. '60s. More lows on Microsoft. Interesting. Approaching its pre-market lows now. There's the 50s on Meta. Now I'm only like 20 cents away from a fill. Wonder how many stops are at 49 cents. There's the 40s briefly. I saw my order flashing on the bid down there. '40s. There I am. Got a partial. 36-cent long. Only got a part of my order on. So partial fill at 36 cents. Long. Might get it here. And just gonna scalp this out. See if this thing returns back to highs. Can it get back up above 210? Got the full position there. Long meta with an average of 36 cents. Stop is down below 208.70. Looking for 210 as a first stop and hopefully new highs a day. Let's see what happens. Falling into the 20s. Down to the teens. Look at the ES just pinned here. Just crazy. Look how tight it is. Here is Meta getting up into the 50s. I'll take a look at 210. I'll see what happens there. Ideally, we could hold for a retest of highs. I just don't know if that's in the cards today. I don't want to be too picky. If we get a quick pop up to 210, I'll probably just take the whole thing off up there. If it runs more, then it runs more. But this is just... Let me set an order up there above 210. See if we can at least swing back up there. There's the 60s, 70s, 80s. Can we pop up to the 90s? Got up to the 80s there. Can we pop up to the 90s? There I am on the offer above 10. Can we get a little bit more of a pop? We did not get it there. What did it get up to? 92 cents. Maybe I should have taken it up there. Let's see if it does it on this next try. Nope, coming back in. Give it one more chance to pop up there. There's just no buying up there. Look like all covering, short covering. 60s. Can we get up to the 70s? No, they're selling it again up there. Wow. Yeah, they're not really letting it advance above 70 cents here. I thought it'd be more prone to getting up. Tesla on highs. That could potentially help. Market's starting to creep upwards a little bit. Let's see if we can go run at those 90s again. 70s. 80s. Can we get up? Yeah, struggling up here. Here's the 80s. Market looks like it wants to tick up. Can we get into those 90s again? Tesla's on highs, AMD's on highs. Can we get a bit of a push up to those, to that 210? Struggling. Struggling to get up. '80s again, and just struggling here at the 80s. High 80s. Briefly, 90s. Can we get up over the hole? 94. They're paying 97. They're paying. Can we get up over the hole and get me filled up there? I am very close. I'm at 2 cents. And we did not get it. No. I did not get it there either. Got a partial fill there. It's really hard to get filled right now. Up here. I'm going to take it. I'm going to just take it right there. Flat, flat meta. I got 92 and 93 cents. It's just not even testing 210. I mean, it got up there to 99 cents, and yeah, there it comes off. So ideally, I would have held for high a day, but again, I'm scalping here. I am not trying to hold on for some huge move. It just wasn't giving it to me. I'm gonna just take that and run for the day. I'm not even gonna re-enter this market. It's just, I mean, look at this. Look at what's going on here in the ES. We're just so deadlocked, and look at this meta come back down to the 60s and 50s after kissing 210. It tried it once. I stayed patient, sat through that pullback, tried again, failed again to get significantly higher. Glad I was able to get that order off in the 90s. You know, it's not, doesn't make sense. Look at it come all the way back down now. It doesn't make sense to give back 60 all the way back down to my entry there. Look at that, all the way back down. It doesn't make sense to give back 60 cents when you're trying to, you know, save 5 cents up here at the top. It just doesn't, not in this market environment. So glad I took it, booked the profit, end of the month, end of the week. I'm gonna just end it on that and call it a day here, head off to work.